Hi guys, in today's lesson we are going to focus on what is set and mathematics. After watching this video completely, you will have a complete concept over sets and mathematics. First of all, we will define a set. So what is a set? A well-defined collection of distinct objects is called a set. Here, there are two terms that you must keep in mind. The first one is well-defined and the second one is distinct. Here, the well-defined means that the objects in the set must be clearly defined and there should be no ambiguity about the objects. The second term is distinct. Distinct means that the objects in the set must be unique and different and there should be no repetition of these objects. Now we are going to discuss what are elements of set. The objects inside a set are called elements or members of the set. Now we are going to go over some examples that will help you to differentiate sets from non-sets. And you will also understand which type of collection is a set and which type of collection is not a set. So, for example, the set of three birds. So, this is a set of three birds. Here, parrot, sparrow, and eagle are clearly defined and there is no ambiguity about the objects inside the set. Here, parrot, sparrow, and eagle are called the elements or the members of the set A. The members of the set A are enclosed in curly brackets and the set A is represented by a capital letter A. And here we say that parrot, sparrow and eagle are the elements of set A, or parrot, sparrow and eagle are the members of set A. Now the second example, a set of even numbers. So this is a set of even numbers. It is represented by B and the elements or the members of the set are enclosed in curly brackets. And the elements of this set are started from 0 to 2, 4, 6, etc. And so on. Here, these three dots are called ellipses, which means that the pattern of these numbers is continued up to unlimited number, right? So this is a set of even numbers. A set of even numbers less than 30. So this is a set of even numbers less than 30. Here the even numbers have started from 0 and up to 25 because we have already stated that the even numbers are less than 30. So we have taken the even numbers up to 25. So this is also a set of even numbers less than 30. It is represented by a capital letter and the elements of the set are enclosed in curly brackets. So this is also a set. The set of odd numbers. Here this is a set of odd numbers. It is represented by a capital D and the elements of the set are enclosed in curly brackets. Here the set of odd number contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Here again the three dots are called ellipses, which means that the pattern of the odd numbers is continued up to unlimited numbers. And here the three dots represent the ellipses, which means that the pattern of the even numbers is continued up to 28. So here the pattern is continued up to 28 and here the pattern is continued up to unlimited numbers. So these were the types of collection which were well defined and the members or the objects of the set were clearly defined. Each element was distinct and different from another one and was clearly defined. So these collections are called sets in mathematics because they are clearly defined and there is no ambiguity about the objects of the set. Now we are going to go over the examples of collection that are not set. Now we are going to go over some examples of collection that are not set. The first collection is the collection of good cricket players. The second collection is the collection of beautiful flowers. The third collection is the collection of difficult math problems. The fourth collection is the collection of most talented peoples. So these are the examples of collections that are not set. Now here is one of the most common question in set theory. Does the order of elements matter in a set? And set, the order of the elements doesn't matter. For example, let's say we have two sets A and B, and A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, and set B contains the elements 3, 1, 2. If you look at these two sets, then they are equal because in set theory, set A equals to set B because set A, which contains the elements 1, 2, and 3 is equal to set B, which contains the elements 3, 1, and 2. So set A is equal to set B. Now what if the elements are repeated in a set? So whenever the elements are repeated in a set, they are counted once in the set. For example, let's say I have set A contains the elements 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So this is not the correct form of the set A. The correct form of the set A is that set A contains the elements 1, 2, and 3. So whenever elements are repeated in a set, we write them once in the set. So dear viewer, this was the video related to set and mathematics. If you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.